Welcome back to the channel. And on this episode, we are going to discuss about the bullish Maraguzu candle. Okay. Now, I think you all have heard about the bullish Maraguzu. Okay. Let's begin from introduction. The bullish Maraguzu is a single candlestick pattern that is stand out due to its strong bullish implication. Now, it is widely used by the trader to identify their potential trend reversal or continuation in stock, forex, cryptocurrency, and commodity. Now we will see the bullish Maraguji candle. Okay. Now, what are the sole characteristic of this candle? It has the solid green body. Okay. The candle is entirely green with a closing price significantly higher than the opening price, reflecting a strong buying pressure. Means that there is a strong buying pressure on this candle, so that lots of people tend to buy here. Due to its more buyer are tend to buy and lot more people are not more so people are selling there. So this type of candle, no shadow also true bullish Maruguzu candle has no upper or the lower wicks, meaning the often price is session low and close at high. Now uninterrupted momentum indicator buyer control the entire trading session without seller pushback also here is that bullish candle. Now the absence of the wick makes a bullish Maraguzi candle very unique. Okay. Now next one, the sentiment buying pressure persists from the opening to the closing bell, means buying pressure from top to bottom. There will be the buying pressure. Seller are absent as I have already discussed about this. Overwhelmed or resulting no wick. Now market participation exhibit the strong confidence in upward price momentum. Okay, now after a downward trend signaling a potential reversal also during an uptrend conferring continuation near key support level or moving average aiding confidence. The practical approach reverse trading also enter a long position trend continuation indicator synergy combine RSI use RSI and MACD crossover. Now risk management set stop loss entry and exit point enter close of the Maraguzu or pullback also. Now origin and evaluation historical use initially used in the rice market, it became a cornerstone. Now popularized in the West by the Steve Nielsen in 1990, now staple in trading strategy. A case study in 2003, 23 bullish Maraguzu formed on Apple after a strong earning report, breaking the key resistance in $180 with high volume. Trader entered the long position saw 10% rally. Okay, now forex also bullish Maraguzi appeared in Euro USD during 2024 ECB rate decision, signaling a reversal. Example, cryptocurrency 2025 bull run Maraguzi found here also. Now conclusion, I think combining other tools, Fibonacci retracement use Maraguzu with 38.2% or 61.8% retracement level volume analysis. The spike in the volume alongside with the Maraguzu confirm the institutional buying. Ichimochi cloud, a Maraguzu breaking above the cloud signal bullish trend. The moving average also look at the pattern. Potential pitfall, false breakout, overbought market, external factor, conclusion, represents strong buyer, effective, enhanced by volume, rooted in century old, okay, required discipline, okay. Now, this one's for today.